Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, Tesla, 4 hours, got a rotation back up. Key level we'll be watching next week is this key high right here, which is 897.94. A move, especially a close on the 4 hour above that, will confirm the rotation back up, and then we'll start watching for the minor resistance at 908.66, then the major cluster area 922 to 926, and then 945. Key level we're still watching if on a down move is this low before the gap fill, 854.10. That would, if we got a close below that on a 4 hour or an extended move below that on any time frame, then we're watching that the rotation zone is broken, and we'll start watching the gap fill, as I've talked about many times, to 834.16. Below there, next level support is about 815. Let's take a look at that daily chart. So you see here holding with the daily rotation zone. So moving sideways as the rotation zone pushes up. Generally, this is a bullish pattern. When you see this, when it drifts sideways, working off its overbought condition, and we're getting the rotation zone coming up, we call this 8 pushing the price, and we're going to be watching for that breakout higher next week, but it still has to get above that key high that we're watching. So the bottom of the rotation zone, where you might have some minor support, but for 814 is 827, 828, and that's worth this little support shelf. So I would not ignore that level, especially since it's a daily rotation zone. Taking a look at the weekly chart, since it is the weekly wrap-up, we are in weekly overbought condition. And on a weekly basis, the major support is 785. The first level of major support is 785, and critical rotation zone support, should something more catastrophic happen, is down at 675. Has not touched the rotation zone for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, so it is getting overextended on a weekly basis, but that doesn't mean it has to reverse, and there is no weekly reversal signal, and there's actually no daily or 4 hour sell signal. The only thing that is we'll be watching is for that potential gap fill if we get a pullback. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.